Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. So in this video I'm going to go over the easiest jobs you can get as a teenager. So the first one that I've chosen is babysitting. This is very easy to do, as all you have to do is know people who have children, like family, friends, family, or people your parents or guardians might know. There's no set rate of how much you get paid for this, and it all depends on how generous the person's children you're babysitting are. So it all just depends on the person. It's very easy because you just have to look after the child or children for a few hours, and it doesn't even take that long, and most of the time they might go to bed early so you can just sit around doing nothing afterwards. The second way is to get a paper round. This is a very common job for teenagers because older people don't want to do it and we're cheap to get paid. So these are easy jobs if you live in a built-up area where there are lots of corner shops or newsagents. So there are two ways that you could go about this. So the first way is you could go into a corner shop or newsagents and ask to deliver papers for them, as they are likely to already deliver papers to people. So you're just asking to deliver them and they already do it, so you're just going to be like another employee for them. And the second way is to go and get customers and charge them a weekly rate. The hard part is getting the customers. So, for example, I got my customers by making a Facebook group for my local area and inviting people. Once a few people join, there's like a snowball effect because they tell their friends, and then eventually it just goes around by word of mouth and lots of people start joining. All then you need to do is put out a post advertising your services, and once you have some customers, you just go and buy newspapers from the local newsagents or corner shop. This is good because if you get lots of people, you're going to be making quite a lot of money because you can charge them a small amount but it all adds up. On to the next one. So the third way I've got is flyering. This is when you go around to different places putting flyers and leaflets through people's letterboxes. Usually a business would pay a newsagent or a business to hand out the flyers, and then they delegate it to people like teenagers who are cheap to pay. This is easy because you just get paid to walk around and post leaflets through letterboxes. It's not exactly hard. The pay for this is usually from about £5 to £10 an hour. It totally depends on how old you are and who the employer is who will be paying you. So we have the fourth way, supermarket jobs. This is probably one of the best jobs you can get. So it's a job that you can probably get from the ages of 16 to 19, and it's really easy because you're just stacking shelves for about 4 to 6 hours at a time. These jobs range from there because smaller supermarkets will probably pay you like minimum wage, whereas the top 5 supermarkets pay around £7 to £10 an hour, which is really good for under 18s, considering an 18-year-old's minimum wage is £6.45 in the UK at this moment in time. So these jobs have they're very competitive because people want them because they're easy and well paying. So it's quite hard to get them. So the only thing you can do is to apply to as many as you can and hope for the best. So the fifth one and the last one is lifeguards. These jobs are really only available in the summer or in indoor swimming pools in the winter, and only older teenagers would be able to get these. At first, you would have to get a lifeguard certificate, which you would need to look into yourself, but they are great summer jobs because you can do them while you're not at college or school. It's also good because I don't think that many people need saving, so you just be sitting around watching everyone, and you're getting paid for it, so. They pay well, and they're easy to do because not people end up in danger, really. So here we have the last slide. So thanks for watching, everyone. These are my top 5 ways to make money and the top 5 easiest jobs that I think teenagers can get. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have, please don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to become one of the first members of the YouTube channel. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video.